Hey, good day everyone. Got this DRZ400 here, year 2000. Doing some going through it and putting a bunch of new parts on it. Got a new hose right there. That's why that glove's covering that port up for the radiator. But today we're just gonna go ahead and do the back tire. So we got it blocked up here on cinder blocks, piece of carpet. Now we're ready to go. Okay, so first thing we're doing is just removing that cotter pin. All right, got a breaker bar. All right, here we go. I got a 24mm on there, deep socket. Now we'll knock this out. Okay, you can see that side came loose because I hit this side with a mallet. All right, now we're just going to support the tire and pull the axle out. We just knocked that out with the mallet and then took the chain off. And now the tire will slide right out. There we go. Okay, now we're just letting the air out of the tire. I just put that big clamp on there to kind of break the bead for the tire. That way we can slide our spoons under there a lot easier. It helps if you have about 6 or 8 of these things. And we just worked one side of the tire off and then just pulled it free from the rim after that. It took a couple of us to rip that tire off of there. That's how we did it. Here's the new one. I'm gonna go ahead and slap that on there and put it on the same way we took it off. Well, I hope this helps you out a little bit. Thank you for watching.